In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can hide your following and followers lists on Instagram. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, well, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is open up your Instagram app. And then once you've opened up Instagram, I want to go ahead and search for somebody now and show you that I can get access to their followers and following. So as you can see, if I click on this guy's following, and then these followers, as you can see, I've got full access and I can see who is following him and who he's following personally. So if you want to go ahead and hide this, I'm going to show you how you can do that now. So what you need to do is come over to your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the page, and then click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then once you've clicked on that, you need to go ahead and select settings. And then once you've selected settings, what you need to go ahead and do next is click on privacy. And then once you've clicked on privacy, you need to click on the little check circle box here to switch to a private account. And if I go ahead now and show you an example, so I'll search for somebody on Instagram, and this guy here is somebody that was on a reality TV show, and his profile is private. And if I go ahead and tap on his following and followers, as you can see, I have not got access to any of this information. So using this method, people who are following you will have full access to your followers and following, but the people that are not following you will not be able to see who you are following or even your followers. So that is the only way you can go ahead and hide your followers and following list, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.